Today some charger arrived in our lab, in our cybernetics Robo Academy and cracks lab. I ordered from AliExpress. I will keep the link in the description so you can check. So basically here is the XTAR Dragon VP4 plus charger. This is very high quality charger, and actually heavy one. This is very heavy. But it's very high quality charger, nice packaging. Here we can see it's a very solid packaging. This kind of packaging is very rare with this kind of uh, polythene inside, rubber inside air. This is really high quality packaging. I really appreciate this kind of packaging. Here you can see it's come with a nice box, nice bag. Actually this is very expensive, that's why it actually worth. They should actually provide this kind of bag, which I appreciated. In this bag we can see this is a probe for you. Actually here we can see here is a port where you can plug this probe so that you can measure battery voltage and its impedance. Okay, this is a nice feature. And you can charge 3s battery, 3s lithium polymer or lithium ion battery from here. Here is the 5-volt output. So along with this I already brought some cheap charger like Litukala and other Chinese brand just for testing purpose. So this is a quick video just to show what I have ordered. Here's some case for robot so that I can use this cheap battery.